Today was my first time making this, if y'all can tell by the extremely cringy montage at the beginning of the video. Or, oh my god, why do I want to be a YouTuber? Like, try it on camera for y'all and tell y'all like if it's good. I don't even know if granola go in smoothie bowls. I was trying to be aesthetic and healthy. I don't care how y'all say it look, it's not bad. There's a couple things wrong. It's watery but chunky. The granola adds a good little touch. So the more I do it, the more I'll get the hang of it and the more pretty it'll look for y'all. The strawberries are kind of ass. I should have made them smaller. Can you tell that I'm probably not gonna be the one cooking in my relationship? I'm definitely being so optimistic right now. This shit is trash, but I'll eat it again. I'm going to the gym today. I'm doing this thing. Let me pause my show. Okay. I'm trying to find my lane here on YouTube. So I don't want to be talking too much because I'm trying to see, am I a personality type girl or am I like a aesthetic YouTube cool edits type girl? I don't know. What I was saying was going to the gym. Going to the gym today. I've been going to the gym every day. Breaks on weekends. Today is Thursday. This is the day where I usually don't feel like going the most. Where's I going with that? Oh, I have this thing where I always feel like I'm in a rush. The gym will always be there. No one's rushing me to go to the gym, but I already feel like I'm behind. Granted, it took me a while to get out of bed, but I don't need to be like rushing all the time. Like, I'm always uptight. So I'm trying to explore like making a morning routine. That's why I got up and made me a smoothie bowl. Make a morning routine that's effective, but also give me time to really, I don't want to rush through my morning routine. I want to take my time through my morning routine. I hope all that's making sense. Yeah, I just don't want to feel like I'm always on a rush when really there's no reason why I should be rushing. I do have somewhere to go at 5:30, 6 o'clock. And I don't know if I'm going to take y'all with me because I'm going to be with friends. And I really want this to be a personal journey. This YouTube stuff, that's what I'm referring to. I'm also trying to wake up earlier. I woke up yesterday at 12 o'clock p.m. and that's why I always feel like I'm in a rush. I wake up so late. I told myself I was going to get up at 7 o'clock, 6. That was a lie. That was a lie. Like, I don't know why I lied, but it was a lie. So I woke up around 8:30. Y'all saw that. Went back to sleep and got back up at 9:15, which is good for me. Made myself breakfast, which is good for me. 23 minutes left in this episode of High Fidelity. Should I finish the episode or get ready to go to the gym? Like, brush my teeth, wash my face, put on my gym clothes. What should I do? Hurry up and tell me so I can do it. Ty, don't procrastinate. Like, get up. You know you want to go to the gym. Don't OD. You just say you want to take your time in your morning routine and really enjoy your space you have by yourself. I said that. And I'm going to do that. Bye.
Totally sure the place was. And I'm not totally sure skinny jeans is your look, but you don't see me all over your goddamn ass, do you?
Brian Little.
Hey. Yeah, I'm on the way to the gym. I look like a little boy, but it's currently, what time is it? Cause y'all finna have a laugh. It is 12:16. Last time I saw you, it was like 2 hours ago, and I was finishing High Fidelity, just an episode. I don't know how it took me 2 hours to get out the house, but this is why I keep telling y'all I need a morning routine. And I need to wake up earlier than 9:15 apparently, because I want to be in the gym at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I want to be in the gym by 9 o'clock. I want to be in the gym by 9:15. I don't want to be waking up by 9:15, because now I'm going to feel rushed because I move so slow. Yeah, I didn't go to the gym, long story short, yesterday. And I stopped recording yesterday too, so it's the next day. I'm gonna keep recording. Like, this is like a little diary. So oftentimes I give up on my videos when like I stop recording and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm just gonna keep recording until I have enough footage to put. I'm gonna actually enjoy the process. Recap of yesterday. I ended up hanging out with some friends, which was pretty fun. And I went to like a studio session at one of my friends' house. At the studio session, and it kind of just inspired me. My friends inspired me. While I was there around like so many creative people, my friends are like super creative and intelligent and passionate about what they do. It just got me thinking, like, I miss being like that. I used to be one of those people. Like, I used to be passionate about theater, passionate about school, passionate about my future and all that stuff, passionate about my grades. Like, I used to be that, and now it's just not the same. I kind of lost it over the years, and I'm ready to gain it back. I'm completely ready to gain it back, and that's why I'm recording. I'm recording this video, and that's why I'm gonna keep recording and keep putting out content, because that's all I want to do. Like, all I want to do is put out content and be creative and make myself a brand. That has always been the goal. I've always just wanted to be a businesswoman, be the brand, and be a brand while also being authentic. So in other words, I'm back with a vengeance, with transparency and just being myself. I'm the brand, I'm the money, I'm the businesswoman. Y'all need me. Like, I'm the entrepreneur, and that's what college is for me. College is 4 years to make myself a brand, 4 years to do it, and I'm not going to even need the whole 4 years. It's just cushion. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to talk to y'all about that, because I don't get to talk about my feelings to other people a lot, and it's therapeutic. And yeah, long story short, I'm that bitch, and it's time to start acting like it. Yeah, bye. Okay, now that that's over, that little therapy session, let me tell y'all what we're doing today. Today is a chill day. We're cleaning up my room. My room is a mess, and it always gets a mess when I go somewhere, because I never know what to wear. And yesterday I put on makeup, so it's a mess times 10. Like like, it's all over the place. Also, I'm on my period, so yeah, I said it. Blah, 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 blah. I'm on my period. Let's just normalize talking about it, because I want to talk about it, because this is a really hard period for me. It's been giving me trouble. Second day, and it's bad. Like, my stomach hurts. I don't have like an attitude or anything, but I want to eat. I'm on this health journey, so that's been hard, not trying to stuff my face and stuff like that. I didn't go to the gym because of this terrible period, and normalize talking about it, because I feel like talking about it. We're gonna clean up my room, and then we're going to, I don't know what else we're gonna do. So you're just gonna have to watch me clean up my room. I'll show y'all a before if I'm not feeling insecure about it. I feel like I've already overshared with y'all about my period. So I don't know if you should see my dirty room too. You know, boundaries maybe, or maybe not. I don't know. This is my room. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad, and I'm gonna clean it. And y'all are gonna accept me for who I am, my transparency. Act like I ain't never seen no clothes everywhere before. Like, that's literally what it is. It's just clothes, and then like my mess from my makeup back there. Look, it's just like that makeup. It's just like that. It's just like that whole makeup area thingy, but the rest of that is just clothes that needs to be put up, and I need to make up my bed, and then I have a bowl of nothing. So yeah, y'all peeped the diploma. I know y'all did. Your room dirty too. I know it. The cleaning content boring? I hope not, because that would suck for y'all. But I'm done. I'm done for the most part. Let me show y'all my room. So here's my room now. Doesn't it look cute? Yeah. Yeah. Shoes all organized and stuff. And yeah. That's it. That's my room. Yes. So that's my room. I've noticed that I haven't been cute this whole video, and I'm trying not to be insecure about it. Like, I'm not like, I just, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like in order to film a video, you have to put on a persona, and you have to choose that persona, and I'm trying to be as authentic as possible, but it's becoming a persona. So I don't know what to do there. Also, too authentic, because I could have put on like some matching little shorts to go with my little sweater y'all didn't see 2 days in a row. You know what I mean? I could have put on some chapstick, you know, and I didn't. YouTube is hard. YouTube is hard because you want like to be authentic, but when you get in front of that camera, it's like, how authentic can this really be? Like, you're literally recording and talking to yourself, which I do by myself anyway. Like, I talk to myself all the time. But I don't know why it gets like weird. I start getting weird when I record a video. I feel like I'm supposed to like entertain somebody, but I feel like my audience will come to me. At the same time, it's like you gotta at least try. Like, you gotta try. It's not like you big and you could just do whatever, you know? You have to try to be entertaining, which is hard. And then, like, I want to be cute for y'all, but, like, trying to also be comfortable in my skin. But next time, I will not wear, like, bright yellow shorts with my... I'm gonna make sure my... Why is that so loud? Hold up. I'm gonna make sure my house clothes match, at least. And I'm gonna put on chapstick. I put on lotion on my face. But yeah, I'll make sure that's taken care of. And hopefully I'm not too insecure to post this. Alright.